In this module, we shall discuss some more examples of permutation groups. We form the dihedral group D4 of permutations corresponding to the ways that two copies of square with vertices 1, 2, 3 and 4 can be placed, one covering the other with vertices on top of the vertices. D4 is the group of symmetries of the square. It is also called octic group. In this group, we shall consider the symmetries of square having vertices 1, 2, 3 and 4. Rho naught, rho 1, rho 2 and rho 3, these are the rotations. Mu1 and mu2 are the mirror images in the perpendicular bisectors of the sides. Delta 1 and delta 2 are flips, diagonal flips. In delta 1 we have 1 and 3 are fixed, 2 goes to 4 and 4 goes to 2, and in delta 2 2 and 4 are fixed, 1 goes to 3 and 3 goes to 1. And in mu1 we have 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 1, 3 goes to 4, 4 goes to 3, and in mu2 we have 1 goes to 4, 4 goes to 1, 2 goes to 3 and 3 goes to 2. Similarly, you can see that rho naught is the identity, rho 1, rho 2 and rho 3, these are the rotations in 90 degrees. And we shall take rotations anti-clockwise. You can see that we have in D4 8 permutations, and D4 is the subgroup of S4. S4 is the symmetric group having 24 elements. Now here we shall consider the subgroup diagram of D4, and as you know that by Lagrange theorem the possible subgroups are of order 1, 2, 4 and 8. Because D4 has 8 elements and divisors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8, and we shall obtain the possible subgroups of these orders. And if we are considering order 4, then we have 4 subgroups: rho naught, rho 2, mu 1, mu 2, rho naught, rho 1, rho 2, rho 3. This is the cyclic group: rho naught, rho 1, rho 2, rho 3. And because we have seen that up to isomorphism we have two structures of the group having order 4. One is cyclic and the other is Klein 4. And here order of rho 2 is 2, and orders of mu 1 and mu 2 are also 2, and it shows that this group is not cyclic because there is no element having order 4. So this is the Klein 4 group: rho naught, rho 2, mu 1, mu 2, and also rho naught, rho 2, delta 1, delta 2. These are the Klein 4 groups, and rho naught, rho 1, rho 2, rho 3 is the cyclic group. And we have the following subgroups of order 2: rho naught mu 1, rho naught mu 2, rho naught rho 2, rho naught delta 1, rho naught delta 2. Because you can see that the orders of mu 1, mu 2, rho 2, delta 1 and delta 2 are 2. And the singleton identity element then we have, and this is the subgroup diagram of the fourth dihedral group D4.